Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry chicken and vegetables. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped before you start cooking. Cut your chicken into uniform, bite-sized pieces, about 1-inch cubes, for even cooking. Then, chop your chosen vegetables into similar sizes so they cook quickly and consistently. This preparation is key for a successful and delicious stir-fry. Next, heat your wok or a large skillet over high heat, adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once shimmering, add your chicken in batches, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Cook until it's beautifully browned and cooked through, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes per batch. Remove the cooked chicken and set it aside on a plate. Now, add a little more oil to your hot pan if needed. Begin stir-frying your harder vegetables like carrots or broccoli for about 2 minutes. Then, add softer vegetables such as bell peppers or snap peas, continuing to stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until they are crisp tender. The goal is vibrant, slightly cooked vegetables, not mushy ones. Finally, return the cooked chicken to the pan with the vegetables. Pour in your prepared stir-fry sauce, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Toss everything together gently until all ingredients are well coated and heated through, which should only take about 1 minute. Serve your delicious chicken and vegetable stir-fry immediately over rice or noodles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.